Hi guys, happy Saturday. My name is Carla Gushing with KG Legacy Group at Keller Williams Advantage 2. And today we are at 3115 Sherry Drive in Orlando, Florida, 32810. We're hosting an open house here until 4 p.m. today, and we welcome you to stop on by. Let's take a look at this home. Take a look at this charming mid-century block home located in the established Riverside Park Estates community. And it is situated on a quiet cul-de-sac with the Little Wekiva River running right next to that vacant and adjacent lot. It's very peaceful here, very quiet, nice oversized lot. Mature landscaping throughout, enclosed patio, perfect for entertaining, and an above ground pool, which is excellent for those summer months. Fully fenced in backyard and very well maintained pool. The shed is included. Welcome in. When you come in, you are greeted with the open, spacious living room. Hardwood laminate flooring. The living room is 18 by 20. And then right through here, we've got the dining room. Nice lighting coming in through the house. And it's got a built-in fireplace. Double doors lead through the enclosed patio. Fully renovated kitchen with stainless steel appliances and plenty of cabinet space. This is a 5-bedroom home with 2 bathrooms. Let's take a look at one of the bedrooms here to the left. Actually, this is the bathroom. Excuse me. And to the right, we have one of the bedrooms. Hi. Now this has terrazzo flooring in the bedrooms. And I will make a correction because this property does have a very spacious office space, which you can convert into a bedroom. Otherwise, it would be a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. And again, terrazzo floorings in the bedrooms. So here we just got done seeing 3 bedrooms. It is a split floor plan. So right through the kitchen, we're greeted by this beautiful pocket door. And then in here, you've got the laundry room. And right through the laundry room, you'll find the spacious office. So as you can see, it offers plenty of space that if you wanted to convert it into a bedroom, you could. It offers its own exterior door through the side and recessed lighting throughout. And the backyard is also accessible through the office. And as you can see, it's also fully fenced in. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. Now there are 2 entryways to the master bedroom. You can actually enter through here, or you can come around once again and you can enter the master bedroom through the living room. And take a look at those beautiful barn doors. look at this spacious master bedroom. I can tell it's very spacious because it houses some large furniture, and yet you still have plenty of room to move around. Again, lots of closet space, built-in cabinets. One of my favorite features is the cabinet has its own personal lighting. Okay, this is the only bedroom that contains carpet. And then you've got an open closet space and the bathroom. So this is also the second access point to the master bedroom. It's through that door. We hope you enjoy walking through this house with us. If you have any more questions about this home, don't hesitate to reach out to me directly, and I will be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Have a wonderful day.